Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We're Logan and Jenny of the Two Traveling Kings.
If you're new here, we're Jenny and Logan. We're a couple of American millennials with a passion for travel. We spent 2 months traveling to 9 different countries on our way to live in Australia for a year. We got to live and work in Sydney for a few months and really loved it. But then, COVID turned our world upside down. We had to cut our year in Australia short and head back to the US, and we really don't know when we'll be able to travel again. And we do want to apologize for our lack of uploading YouTube videos over the last month or so. We've had a lot going on between moving to new jobs and planning a wedding, all in the midst of a global pandemic, so I'm really sorry we've had a lot on our plates, but we will give you updates on that part of things in a couple of weeks or so. So just wanted to throw it out there. We know we've been slacking and we're sorry.
Fortunately though, while we've been slacking, the YouTube algorithm has been working its magic and our Australia videos have exploded. So thanks to all the Australians who've been watching our videos recently, liking and commenting. It's really helped us out. One of our most popular videos was our Australian snack video, but we accidentally did something very wrong and offended a lot of people.
We're so sorry. And we did it! So we each have a toasted piece and we each have a plain piece. Which one do you want to try first?
Toasted.
That's pretty weird. Apparently, you're not supposed to toast fairy bread. It's not called fairy toast.
It's not called fairy toast.
We also just want to throw it out there. People have asked who told us to do that. No one told us to do that.
We thought, why not?
We just thought maybe there's 2 ways to do it. And we were very swiftly corrected.
So we decided to make a redemption video for all of our Australian friends we may have upset. So let's get started with the ingredients. 3 very simple things that we messed up. First thing, bread. White bread. Bread you do not toast.
This guy, over here. We will not be toasting the bread. Ingredient number 2 that we messed up. Butter, not margarine, which is how all the comments read. Butter, not margarine. I'm sorry. We were living in a small apartment in Newtown and we had to buy all new groceries because we were only there for a bit, and all the grocery stores were completely wiped out because of crazy toilet paper pandemic madness. So margarine's all we could get. We're sorry, but we got the right stuff this time.
Woohoo! And the last ingredient of fairy bread, some would even say the most important ingredient in fairy bread, the sprinkles.
No. Hundreds of thousands.
Hundreds and thousands. Not your basic sprinkles that we stupidly purchased at the IGA. Again, we tried, we knew to look for these. You know, we do our research when we make our videos. You saw that list of snacks. We tried. Obviously, we didn't try hard enough. But we found the right sprinkles at Food Lion. They're called rainbow nonpareils here in America. What's a parel? What's a nonpareil? Who knows? We got hundreds of thousands and we're gonna make some fairy bread.
Let's do it. Right, so we did this so poorly last time. Let's hope this goes better. We're gonna give it another go. Here is our fresh white bread. Look at that bread. So, according to all of you, we take our fresh slice of white bread. We take our real butter, not margarine, and we really just bought this, so I have to open it.
Especially for our fairy bread video. Because you know, we like margarine apparently.
Apparently we eat margarine. So we're gonna take the fresh butter, and I think I want a pretty good amount of it.
Yeah, you're gonna want more than that.
Okay, well, we're just gonna keep going. Do we think this is enough?
Yeah, it's good, just more evenly.
Okay, I think I put a good amount of butter on. It's kind of sagging with butter. Okay, so now our hundreds and thousands, and I have to open this too. So the first way I'm gonna try is the way we originally did it, was just sprinkle these on top. So I'm gonna give a nice even coating and they're gonna go everywhere. I'm just gonna kind of load them on here and gonna have to sweep the floor after this. Okay, so we have a piece of bread. It's gonna go on the plate. Now, According to Briar Elise, we need to slice this on a diagonal because it's not truly fairy bread until you do that. So we're gonna go ahead and slice it on an angle. And folks, I think I made it correctly this time, but I'm sure you'll tell me if I didn't.
And they're everywhere.
And they're everywhere. But I think we did it. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Yeah? Alright, let's try it. Oh gosh, there's a lot of them. Okay.
Much better.
It is much better. One, the butter makes a big difference. Two, these little guys are nice and crunchy. The other ones just kind of melted onto our teeth, which wasn't very pleasant. And the bread, it's Wonder Bread.
Did we have white bread last time?
I don't know if we had white bread last time. Probably couldn't find that either. Okay, Australians,
Thank you.
you win. Thanks.
So another shout out to another viewer, Lillian Riley. So you saw Jenny's technique to spread the butter and then just dump all of the hundreds of thousands on. This technique, you add the butter and then you sort of dip your bread into a nice pan of sprinkles. So I think that's enough butter.
I think so. Coat it. Yeah, this is a new technique. I think it will work well.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, Lillian,
Even coat.
you're on to something. That looks better. Oh, it's gonna have it on the bottom now too.
That's fine.
Oh, that one. That's just as good.
So hopefully this redeems our Aussie True Blue status. If you want to go have a laugh, go watch our Aussie slang video. We had some fun trying to say Australian slang.
If you happen to be new here, please remember to go subscribe to our channel to get notified for new videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. That really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm.
And also, if we still mess something up, please comment down below and let us know and give us an excuse to eat more fairy bread.
We also want to say a huge thank you for all of the likes, comments, subscriptions, all of the engagement and activity with our videos. We actually have some exciting news, and we just earned our first YouTube paycheck. And that's all thanks to you. That obviously would not have happened without you. So we just wanted to say a big thank you. It helped pay for some of the supplies for our Australian snacks video and the supplies for today's video. So we're really appreciative. We hope we keep making videos you like, but thank you so much.
So thanks to our old subscribers and new subscribers, you motivate us to keep making new videos. We'll see you in the next one.